Good day everyone, welcome back to Boningo TV. If you're not today is the first time watching my video or you have been watching, you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down there and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. My country people, my topic for today now about some of our sisters, what they do for Osma as now I want to talk about. You know, say this life person no they no finish. I would say person they no finish, president for no get advisor. It good make they learn for other people mistake to avoid know. At the same time, good make they take correction, because anybody be saying no they take correction for this life, you no go feel learn. So back to the topic of today, our sisters there. Some of our sisters where they Osma as what you know they do, you know right at all. You know right. If na not see anybody will tell una truth, me Ebony they tell una now. What they do no good at all. You be woman, you come marry Oyibo, and before you marry the Oyibo, so you first get black boy be say you feel like you like the black boy they okay, but because say no get document, no get passport, you can't leave am. Can't go marry Oyibo we don't see quen. Oyibo we don't quan. We know they fit do anything again. Oyibo be say his concuba no dey work again. For the other side, you know they fit do anything. He said, shame, say you no wan comot, you can't comot for there. Come dey waka from train station to train station. They find black boy be say you no gree settle down with that time. Come they find out they go. Just because you won't spoil our name. We Africans, you won't spoil our name. Why una they do like that? Why? Some of una wey marry the whites now they talk, so now they talk to so. Why una you they bring shame to our country? Why? Marriage now for better for worse. Marriage no easy. Before you go into marriage, first check your heart well. Check your heart, look at your life partner, look at whether this person, I fit there with this person. Not because of what, not because of material things, just jump into marriage. Because at the end, now that no na go be the answer. So that kind of no good. It no good at all. You will from train station to train station. They find black boy they go be say you won't carry go out for night. I say, woman, why you go do that kind of thing? Why? Because it's not good at all. Because that train station be say you they go now. When you go they carry all those black boy they go now. You just say you both know they see you. They see you. I be you see those camera where they put for everywhere. You say that camera no they work. Those camera they work, oh. They work. Those camera they work. So our people when they give our self-respect, I beg. Before you marry any person, choose whether black or white. Just look and wear. No go ahead and you call the bridge they give. We will be say the better will be say they say you call the bridge call they give us. I bet when I know they do like that. When I know they do like that, it's no good at all. Come marry man, finish. The man don't see kwekwe, no they work finish. You can't leave am. Go they carry different man. I bet that kind is no good. And if you be see black, you marry black. You marry your color. Because say the man, now you do everything for the man. Now you do everything. The man no they work. No be say the man no want work, but work no dey. Now you can't do everything. You can't they treat the man bad, because now you they do everything. You can't they treat the man bad. I beg, make una change. Because no be cry for person to love you. No be say now the man now no want just work. Now because say work no dey. If you be woman say they do that kind, if you see this my video, change. Because no man too small. Respect your husband. Whether big or small, respect your husband. And the men too. The men mona love una wife, because the Bible make am clear say a man should love his wife. Make the women, make they respect their husband. Make the two days submissive to each other. I beg. And those are sisters, they be say marry Igbo son. For yourself be say they come on go they carry black boy part down. Make una try more una change. Make una try. No call insult anybody. Na advice now they give una. Make una change. Make una give ourselves good name. Because now, anywhere where you go, they'll say, I don't know what they call our country name. They'll say Africa. See Africa like this. That kind of na shame. Even our people now say they seek for document. Na problem to give them. problem because you be say be married woman. Forget what our boys they do more. I know you talk about that one today. The women do because now still join, will be say they not sit they give our people documents. Now this character still join. Oh, it all sequel. It don't matter because of passport now. It don't matter because of all those material things now. You rock come up begin they carry black boy up and down. They don't catch you now. If another for a young boy now, they go for that they say why that they no agree. Now then you go see our people they say now because of documents. Now they say they marry person, and because of this one, because of passport, they marry. But they don't say no be all be the same. Now those character one I don't do. Now make they believe say all the African women there say na the same too, na the same thing. Make would they change? I beg. Make would they change? And the same one I go marry white person now. Some of una for a side, una go tell her everything. Waiting no happen. Waiting happen. I go tell her. If people go commissioner, they talk. They go say na lie because una don't open all the secret finish. I beg, una change for all those things. Make una change. If you deal with white person for us, say the cassava no they work again. It does sequence. If say me you go outside, go they carry black boy, carry one you they spoil your name. You better carry. They see all those toys. They will be say you fit help yourself. It's better than say you can't come out, go they carry black boy up and down. Make una change because that kind thing no good at all. It no good. And some of our women will be say they go see marry black person for house. To see they follow Igbo person they go. It no good at all. It no good. Because I know one like that will be saying and the man. He and the man they together. Me if I they talk now from experience now they talk. Because not be say you carry come they talk. Because I get one like that will be saying and the husband they don't date together for us. But this woman so you still get to Igbo for our side. If the Igbo come they carry 1,000 euro now they give them 1,000. If the Igbo they come, the husband yes they come. Man guy go just collect picky for the woman hand. The woman go meet the Igbo 1,000 euro. That kind thing good because of money. They damage your image. Why you decide to spoil our name? Why? Because of material things, because of money. This money, so now as you take on me this money, now so you see tell live on. Now so you tell live on. I bet our people won't know they do like that. Won't they do like that at all. You and man go there as together. The white man call you go tell your guy make you run enter bedroom. After the white man don't do anything want to finish. If you don't chuku finish, you go come out. You can't expect to make that boy can't take you serious. Make come marry my sister. You lie. You lie. If the boy don't leave you finish, you can't say upon everything what I do for her. The boy still leave me. You can't swear what I swear for her. My sister, that kind swear not go affect that boy you because now you. Because that be say they day with you, when that boy they day with you. So now your money now the boy they collect, now they fine. If you don't collect better for your body, go run leave you. Because no boy go open why do that kind thing, go marry that kind of woman for us. So make they wise up. Thank God say social media don't be say you fit they learn. We fit they learn from each other. I beg. And now be say some of you now be say marry Oyibo, now see the other una dey with na husband, now see come out, go they carry black boy, make una change. Make una change. And those black boy too, I'll see talk to una. If you see say man, woman don't marry, whether they marry Oyibo, whether they marry black, as far say married woman don't dey. You know, if you not tell you down a different case, the woman no let you know na different case. But if the woman let you know, you know say don't marry, whether he marry black or marry white, he can't they come. Any amount of money where they give you, no collect. Tell her make carry a while go because she first see white. She know if it say she know she first see black before he decides say go. Before he decides say he won't go marry that sikwekwe man. Because wetin happen, the reason why I talk about this thing be say wetin happen for goat ass, you go see happen for sheep ass. If you see woman like that say he don't marry, come dey charge you with money, tell her make you go. Because that thing you be say follow the woman, I go see they follow if they do that kind of thing. Make una change. And those of now all those women be say they go train station, go they carry black boy, make una stop. Make una stop because camera they see una. Camera they see una. If na say camera no they see una, e they see una. If na I be una see those camera no they work, they work, e they see una. Make una change their bed. When I they give our people bad name. When I they let that they feel all of us will be the same. because black person na go dey waka na. We say e put ring for herself. Oyibo man no go believe. Abeg. No because of material things go marry man wey you know say you know fit satisfy you for the other side. No because of material things. Because e get time wey be say go reach those material things now. You know come need again. The other side, that sexual urge, now you come dey find. Make una change. I know say this video, many people go see say, wetin this one dey talk, but na the right word that they talk. Make una change. If na fair dey do that before, make una change. You still get time to still change. So I go end my video for here. Anything you think about this video, drop your comments, share my video, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do, may the Lord bless you.